How to split a payment in Klarna. Want to split a payment? This guide shows you how you can split a payment with Klarna so you can pay for a purchase in installments. First, you need to find a merchant that offers Klarna's payment options. Once you're at the checkout page, you'll see a few payment options. Look for the Klarna logo or button and tap on it. You'll be redirected to the Klarna payment page. On the Klarna payment page, you'll see a few payment options. Select Pay in 4 or Pay in 3 depending on what's available. To perform a Pay in 4 option, please follow our other videos. This is how you split your payment. The total purchase amount will be divided into 4 or 3 equal payments, with the first payment due at the time of the purchase. Once you've selected a payment plan, you'll need to confirm the payment. You'll see a summary of payments including the due dates. Once you've confirmed, the payment will be processed and you'll receive a confirmation email from Klarna with all the details of a payment plan. It is a great way to split a payment. You now know how to split a payment with Klarna. Get ready to pay for your purchases in installments. Like and subscribe for more finance tips.